Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss doctrines with you all. So the very first is doctrine of basic structure, which means that Parliament can amend the constitution, but it cannot alter its basic structure or essential features. And we all know that the judgment related to it is Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. And the article related is Article 368. The examples are supremacy of constitution, rule of law, judicial review, separation of powers, fundamental rights, and etc. The second one is doctrine of eclipse, which means a law inconsistent with the fundamental rights is not void ab initio, but it becomes dormant, eclipsed until the inconsistency is removed. So it applies to pre-constitutional laws. The third one is doctrine of severability, which means if a part of law is unconstitutional, only that invalid portion is struck down, not the whole law, provided the rest can stand independently. The article related to it is Article 13, laws inconsistent with the fundamental rights. The fourth one is doctrine of pith and substance, which means and is used to determine whether a law made by one legislature, union or state encroaches upon another's domain. The nature, pith and substance of the law is examined. The fifth one is doctrine of colorable legislation, which means when a legislature indirectly does something that cannot do directly, the law is said to be colorable. What cannot be done directly cannot also be done indirectly. The sixth one is doctrine of territorial nexus, which means a state law may have extraterritorial operations if there is a sufficient nexus between the subject matter and the state. Thank you so much. I hope this video is beneficial for you all.